summation formula and calculations spent Excel are part of the most basic mathematical and trigonometric functions. Both data are used in data analysis using Microsoft Excel. To create addition formulas and subtraction formulas, the filled cell data begins with the equals sign. Example: summing formula in Microsoft Excel uses the plus operator. 13 plus 7 plus 3 equals 23. So to write it becomes equals 13 plus 7 plus 3 and ends by pressing enter. Summing between cells in Excel. The sum of A1 and B1 will be done in C1, so the formula is filled in cell C1 equals A1 plus B1 and ended by pressing enter. Excel reduction formula. Reduction formula in Microsoft Excel uses the dash operator. Example: formula reduction with numeric numbers 17-7-10, then written to be equals 17-7-10 and ended by pressing enter. Following is the illustration of the reduction formula above on cell A1 in Microsoft Excel. Inter-cell reduction formula will be done A1 minus B1 at C1, so that the formula is filled in cell C1 equals A1 minus B1.